Monty with Gillespie Abbey Carpet and Floors. Happy New Year. It's hard to believe it's already 2023. And as you can see, as I was walking in, I was wiping my feet off on this outside mat here and an inside mat here because it's raining, man. It's getting crazy out there and has been for several weeks. Thank goodness, because we definitely need the rain. But one of the things you can do at this time of year when there's lots of moisture, dirt, mud outside to keep it from getting on those new floors is walk-off mats, both at your entrance on the outside, the inside, your back doors, your garage doors, anywhere where you come in onto that beautiful new floor of yours. This will help to protect them. Also, take off your shoes if you need to, but make sure you have another pair of shoes to put on so you're not walking around on those new floors with sweaty, stinky socks. If you really need to find out how to maintain your floors, one of the benefits of buying flooring here is we provide you with maintenance guides from the manufacturers for each floor that we put into your home. So whether you're ready to have it clean, we can do that for you too as well. Or if you're ready to replace, stop in here at Gillespie Abbey Carpet and Floors for some stress-free shopping and let us turn those interior design dreams into reality for you for 2023.